In this video I will show you quickly and easy how you can convert your cover you receive for Amazon KDP in, for example, the RGB color mode into a cover ready to upload on IngramSpark in the CMYK color mode. Let's dive into it. Why is it necessary to convert your cover? Well, if you upload your cover which is stored with the RGB, red, green, blue color modes, upload that for your paperback on Amazon KDP, you won't get any issues, you won't get any problems, and probably KDP will convert it to the CMYK color mode automatically in the background. But IngramSpark requires that you upload your paperback cover in the CMYK color mode, otherwise you will get an error. Really quickly, what is the difference between RGB and CMYK? Well, RGB is a color mode designed for screens. So for your television, for your iPad, for your monitor, computer monitor, for your mobile screen. It starts with black, and then it starts adding lights in different brightness, in different intensities, the red light, blue light or green light, all mixed together to create all the colors which are visible for us. So it mixes red with blue or with green just to create other colors we can see. On the other hand, we have the CMYK color model, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. And key equals to black. That color model doesn't start on a black background, but on a white paper background. And there are four plates with all those four colors in it, and they mix it to create the colors we see on printed paper. So that color model is optimized for printing, while the RGB model is optimized for screens. So now you know that. How can you convert your, for example, PDF file, which is based on the RGB model, to an PDF file based on the CMYK model? I will show you easy and right in less than 1 minute. No prior technical knowledge needed. You're going to a website called presspdf.com. So if you go to Google and type in presspdf.com, the first one to show up is presspdf.com, of course. Then you click on it, and this website can convert PDFs in also different kinds of ways. And one is the way from RGB to CMYK. So this is one of the conversions they can do. Step one is click on upload, and then you select your version of the cover which you used, for example, on KDP. I'm going to select the cover I use on KDP. I'm going to convert it to a CMYK cover. So click on open once I've selected the cover. And once it's uploaded, here you see a bottom PDF color space. If you click on this one, you see the images are in RGB and no vector graphics in PDF. So I close this, and now I click on this button, RGB CMYK Conversion. So I click on this. Now it's doing its work. It will take 1 second. Processing, please wait. And now I have a new cover. If I do the check here, PDF color space, I see images CMYK. So this is what I wanted. Now I click on download my PDF, and I can use this version of the cover on IngramSpark and also on KDP if you want to. But wait, I have a lot of free stuff for you. First, the secrets. I will share the 10 secrets I use to scale from €8 a month with self-publishing to $11,027 a month with self-publishing in just 12 months. Click below secrets.grandborn.com. secrets.grandborn.com. And if you want to 2x, 3x, or even 10x the sales and the profits of your KDP business, then check out my free course, which is called the Book Profit Booster, bpb.grandborn.com. You can find it here below, and don't forget to join my free Facebook group for European self-publishers by answering the 3 questions. I hope you like this video. Please consider to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to comment below. See you next video. Bye bye.